Hello friends, I am Dr. Ganesh Patil from KTHM College Nasik. We are going to learn the topic matrices and determinant. In this topic, we are going to learn the inverse of the matrix. Let us start. In our last lecture, we learn how to find adjoint. The next step of our is to find the inverse of the matrix with adjoint method. Okay, let us start. If a non-singular square matrix and there is a matrix B such that AB is equal to BA is equal to I is equal to identity matrix. AB is equal to BA is equal to I is equal to identity matrix, then matrix B is called inverse of matrix A. It is denoted by P is equal to A inverse. Inverse of matrix by adjoint method. If A is a non-singular square matrix, then inverse of A is given by A inverse is equal to adjoint A divided by determinant A. This is the formula of inverse matrix by adjoint method. A inverse is equal to adjoint A divided by determinant A. The above formula is called adjoint method for obtaining an inverse of non-singular matrix. Okay. Let us see the example number 1. Find the inverse of the matrix A is of order 2, 2, 4, 3, 4. Okay, solution. Step number 1. To find the determinant A. Convert this matrix into determinant for the write in the form of determinant. 2, 4, 3, 8. Then 2 into 4, 8 minus 4 into 3, 12 is equal to minus 4. Then step number 2. To find the minor of the matrix, we have to find M11. That means delete first row and first column. The remaining element is the value of M11 and the remaining elements are 4. Then M12. Delete first column and delete first row and second column. The remaining elements are 3 and this is the value of M12. M21. Delete second row and first column. The remaining elements are 4 and the 4s are the value of M21. Then M22. That is delete first row and second column. Delete second row and second column and the remaining elements are 2. This is the value of M22. Step number 3. To find cofactor where Cij is equal to, this is the formula of cofactor. Cij is equal to minus 1 raised to I plus j, this is I plus j into Mij. Mij is the minor of Aij. We have to find Mij, that is minor of the matrix. Let us see. C11 is equal to, here the formula, minus 1 square. Ij means I plus j, 1 plus 1, 2, minus 1 square into M11. Minus 1 square plus 1, M11 is equal to 4, that is 1 into 4 is equal to 4. Then C12, 1 plus 2, 3, minus 1 raised to 3 is equal to minus 1 and 1 M11 is equal to 3, minus 1 into 3 is equal to minus 3. Then C21, 2 plus 1 is equal to 3, minus 1 raised to 3 is equal to minus 1, minus 1 into 4, value of 21 is equal to 4, that is minus 1 into 4 is equal to minus 4. Then C22 is equal to 2 plus 2, 4, minus 1 raised to 4 is equal to plus 1 and the value of 2 M22 is equal to 2, therefore 1 into 2 is equal to 2. So therefore cofactor C is right in the form of matrix, that is 4 minus 3 minus 4 2. Write as 4 minus 3 minus 4 2. Then the next step is step number 4, to find the adjoint. How to find adjoint? adjoint means transpose of the cofactor, and this transpose of the cofactor, this row is converted into column and this row is converted into column. So write first row in first column, second row and second column. 4 minus 4 minus 3 2. Let us see. First row becomes first column, second row becomes second column. Okay, you have to find adjoint, then you have to find inverse. The formula of inverse is equal to A inverse is equal to adjoint A divided by determinant A. We have to find the adjoint and we have also find the determinant, and the determinant is, we have to solve determinant and the value of determinant is minus 4. So write here adjoint 4 minus 3 minus 4 2 and the value of determinant is minus 4. We have to write in this way minus 1 by 4 into 4 minus 3 minus 4 2. This is, we have to call scalar multiplication. This is a scalar and we get inverse A is equal to, after multiplying 1 by minus 4 into this matrix, we got minus 1 1 minus 3 by 4 and minus 1 by 2. This is known as inverse of matrix. How to solve this inverse of matrix? First step is to find determinant, second step is to find minor, third step is to find cofactor, fourth step is to find adjoint, and fifth step is to find inverse. That is A inverse is equal to adjoint A into adjoint A divided by determinant A. Okay student, this is the method of to find inverse by adjoint method. Okay, if you have any question, ask me on my email ganeshpatil@ksmcollege.ac.in. Thank you very much.